Hey, thanks for hanging out with me. I imagine you're probably sitting down like me right now. And what that means if you're sitting down is the muscles in the legs, called the quads, the hip flexor, which attaches over the pelvis, is in close proportion to your abs. So in other words, you're at about 90 degrees, but your hip is closed. It's not open. Open would be when you're standing up or when you're in full extension. So if you spend a lot of your day like this, you're going to get tight hip flexors, tight quads, and we need to loosen those bad boys out. Also, if you do a lot of squatting, we're developing these muscles, and we're going to need to lengthen them out at the end of the day or even at the start of the session. So the best exercise I've found to do that is the couch stretch. And you can spend 2 or 3 minutes in this position if you can handle it. You want it? Will I show you? Yeah, okay, we'll do it. So, my foot up against the wall, my knee in as close as I can. I'm going to step up into a lunge position. Now I've got this box here supporting me. That's going to help me out. Okay, because what this is going to do is going to allow me to push myself back and increase how far open my hip is. This is me bent over. I'm going to try and push back. Ideally, I'll create a position where my hands are against the wall, my head's against the wall, and maybe even squeeze my butt cheek to drive my hips forwards. This is awesome. But the first time I did it, didn't feel as good. So, if you're in that position where you can barely breathe, everything hurts, you need to make it a little bit easier. My knee, you can bring your knee a little further away from the wall. You can also put a pillow underneath it. And then have this box here and just extend through some of those tight tissues. Stay there for a couple of minutes, you'll find that things will loosen off over time.